Well, thank you for joining us. I'm going to look a little bit at shapes. And this is under measurement and geometry. And what we have are two objects which are tried to depict it via a three-dimensional viewpoint. But we're asked for what is the side view and what is the top view. Now, what we have to do is imagine that we can come around the side and look directly at the side. And what will it look like? Well, in this case, when you look at this cylinder from the side, we're actually going to be looking at, it's about that high. It's actually not that high. You can see that it's coming across, and it's going to be about that. Now, that's what we're going to see, and we're going to see the top as being a straight side, and we're going to see the bottom. Now, so that's what we're going to be seeing. We're going to see a rectangle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to rub that out and just use a ruler, because we shouldn't be drawing freehand, and I can. So we're going to have the left side. We're going to see the cylinder from the side. And what we're going to be looking at when we look at from the side at right angles, and we're going to come around, imagine that there's no perspective, okay, so that there's no depth. And what we're going to see is, we're just going to see a rectangle from the side. Now from the top view, when you come around and look directly down from the top, the side, well, there you can see we're going to be seeing a circle. So I haven't tried this before, so I'm just going to draw a circle depending on how big that radius is. And that's what we're going to be seeing. Normally we don't need to color it in, but that's the top view. Okay. So the top is simply a circle and the side view is simply a rectangle. Now let's come around and look at this bottom object, and we're going to come in and have a look at it from the side. Now, when we talk about this from the side, we're not going to be looking at it as seeing this point. We're going to be basically looking at the side. So really the side is going to be, it's going to be a triangle. So when you look at the side, it's going to, that's the apex, it's going to have, what we're going to do is we're going to see a simple triangle. And that's what we see from the side. Now the top is interesting because if you can look at the base, it's actually like a square. And so what we're going to see is, and I'll just draw a square as best as we can. And if we want lines, you will in fact see, I suppose I should try and make it a color that we're going to see. You will in fact be seeing these edges as being 4 straight lines. So there is a top view, and there is the side view. All right, so I hope this has helped with drawing a side view and a top view. Until I talk to you again. Stay happy. Okay.